Like something what kind of annoys me here in the Philippines is that everything tries to eat you or your house. And then typhoon blown over some bananas on our roof and I'm just trying to remove them now. Well, a very welcome to this new episode, and yeah, we've been just away for 2 weeks and it's crazy. And yeah, so we just came back, and so this one was there before, but this one was not there before. So I just put a bit of treatment on, but they really like that table. Apparently, I got told it's not termites, but some kind of other insects which is doing there. So I would presume, yeah, it's a woodworm or some what's that, maggot from some bug or something like this. But yeah, and then I show you in a moment outside. Typhoon blown over some bananas on our roof, and I'm just trying to remove them now. We are outside and I'm just working here. This is the banana tree or banana plant which lays on our roof. Here you can see our guttering is damaged and stuff, and it's quite big. It's very big, and I'm trying to get it down. Later I will get some people who tidy up here, but this is an empty lot, so everything grows a bit wild here, and it's constantly you need to do something. And there was a bit of a typhoon, and I think that blown that over, or those plants pulled it down. Don't know. The annoying thing is there's everywhere those ants, and of course they hurt. I don't know if you can see it. Focus. Yeah, so they have, of course, their houses here everywhere, and then they hurt. And here also everything full. Yeah, today they actually got already someone who cleaned the outside here. That was all full with this. And it's super annoying because everywhere are those red ants, and yeah, they hurt. But then here on the other side, actually, I've shown that tree before. There's actually quite a bit of new leaves and everything nice and bushy. That's quite cool. Now it's and I need to remove those flowers again, so it doesn't have too many of those fruits here. So I always take them out, and then we will put the Christmas decoration on here as well, or on this tree down there. Yeah, we have our dog bag, that's good. Now many things. I'm trying to get some Christmas decoration out and clean up all the grass here also in the back. Here I've been already moving lots of grass here. That needs to be a bit clearer, because here's all this high stuff. We don't need that. And also our dog Popeye needs a bit of a spot here as well. And I need to reach the water tower and go through here sometimes. Naja, gut, okay. Right, so it is here. It is down. But yeah, our gutter is, I think, even more damaged than before. It was not very well. But at least now it's not laying on it and moves with the wind. It was quite hard on the roof, actually, when the wind was moving it. And yeah, now at least this one is done. So whew, I will continue sorting this out here and then get somebody to remove this here. I don't know, I don't want to have too much stuff rotting away here next to our house, who knows. But yeah, whew, it's so hot. Well, thank you for watching, and I'm not sure if you have seen that as part of some other video or as a separate video, but yeah. Thank you for watching, and we see you next time. And please leave a like and subscribe to our channel if you like more of those kind of videos. Here, just live in the Philippines, how it is for us. We don't talk it nice, and we show it as it is, and what is kind of what we have on our minds and stuff. So if you like that, then you can subscribe to our channel, would be really appreciated as well. And we see you in the next one. Why? Even darker. So, well, a very welcome to this new episode, and